So aligning yourself with a great dry cleaner is always a must, whether it's custom clothing or your clothing in general. We use Bernadette's in Akron. They do a phenomenal job for us and our clients. They take extra special care on a lot of things. So they're the ones that we send ours to, and I think they'll work out very well for you. That's a plug, Bernadette's. But on the other hand, clothing doesn't always have to be dry cleaned every week or every month, okay? If you get a stain on your clothing, if it's grease-based or oil-based, chances are you gotta get it cleaned. But if it's a little stain on the sleeve, for example, or the baby spit up on you, or you get salt stains, for example, the best way to do it is just you rub the fabric briskly back and forth. If you have a brush, brush it off, and you'll find that that's gone, okay? I've done it many, many times on my own clothing, and it does work, okay? Dry cleaning is a hard process. Our clothes are meant to go through it. Ready-to-wear clothing, however, is fused. That means they're glued on the inside, so that glue, that fusing will start to come undone. Okay, so the more times you dry clean those, the more it's gonna show up. On ours, because it's a canvas front, you won't get those problems, okay? If you get a few wrinkles in the arms, in the back of the legs, get a steam iron, a hand iron you have at home, have it about 3 or 4 inches away from the garment, just steam it, and that thread will release, that the fabric will release, and those wrinkles will drop out. If you hang them up for 2 or 3 days, it'll do the same thing. So it's not necessary to dry clean your clothing all the time. Eventually, if they do get visibly soiled, or you've worn them a few times, it's good to freshen it up and send it to the dry cleaners. So if you have any more questions or tips you want answered, go to davidecoutinho.com and remember to dress well.